Alright, so, part two. We're back. I'm still working on the very first one, because, that's my trial piece. Move over here to the light. I went to my local little German hardware store called Hornbook. Got myself this little wire brush guy for the drill. Tried to clean up this a little bit. Kind of clean out some of this. Sorry, I'm not centered. Anyway, clean out some of that. Can't get all that rust out, annoyingly enough. I guess if I keep pressing and messing with it, I can get some of these other chunks out. But for the most part, it'll work. I found this. It ended up working good. It's like a little J-hook piece of aluminum there. There we go. Let's see. Get in the hole. Yes, there we go. Fits in there. Well, pretty good, actually. The little bits of rust in there actually take up a little bit of that space. So that's not bad. I might cut like a thin piece, a couple thin pieces of this aluminum scrap I have here just to fit in there so it sits. But for all intents and purposes, this strip works out pretty good. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So the idea here is to have this strip, which I do have some shears, so I have some shears I'll cut this with, and then, this is terrible. I need like a phone tripod so I can do this professionally, but I'm not gonna get one yet. Anyway, so the black piece kind of fits in there. Snug. So, next I gotta do is test fit it and see if it lines up, and it probably won't. It's probably like pushed down a little bit too low or something stupid. So, I'll mess with it. We'll see how it goes. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Some light on. This is the dark area of my garage. Alright, you can see all these guys here. Brush them off. I need to make sure there's no crazy rust. I don't even know if you can see that. Alright, so. Alright, there we go. Here we are. So, we got this guy. Cool. We got this guy. This is temporary. It's not even like glued down or anything, but it's temporary. The metal sheet is in there. The guys are popped in. I really wish I was smart and I showed you how I put that together, but lucky for you, I got 3 more of these fuckers together to do. So, open the door. And let's see. Line up the slots. Do. So, there we go. Now we're in place. Loosely. But I actually think I missed a slot this time, because I already tested this a couple times. You can see that it definitely does not push out nearly as much as it used to. So once I tighten everything down and super glue the ends I need to do, then, or not super glue, but JB Weld or 5-minute epoxy, whatever, we'll be good to go. And if you're wondering what ends I'm talking about, talk about that end right there, that end right there, and I'll probably put some, like a ribbon of it down the strip just to hold everything solid. But yeah, so that's one.